So I will hit on the play button here, which says run layout, and it will open the game up in your default browser. And we can see that we only see this top part of the game, so things are not working very well yet, but that's going to be easy to fix. The reason why we didn't see anything is that the camera is still staying focused to this top part right here. Nothing has moved the game camera down where the player is. And to fix that, we are simply going to select the real player here, and we are going to add one more behavior for him. So let's go to behaviors, add edit behaviors, and click here. I'm going to click on the plus icon here, and now I will add this scroll to behavior. And this is a great way of making sure that the camera is following the player. So where the player goes, the camera goes as well. So if I add this and then do a preview, then we'll see something slightly different. So let's see how that looks. And now we can see that the view has changed where we wanted it, but we can also see that the blue box is just falling down, and that's because we haven't told Construct to make these platforms here. We haven't told it to make them solid. So what I will do now is I will close this window, and I will select a platform from here, and I want to give this one a behavior as well. Let's close the box for the real player behaviors, and let's go to behaviors, press on the plus icon, and I will choose this solid behavior, which basically makes it so that things with the platform behavior, for example, will respect these elements so that they won't fall through them. So I will select this solid here, and let's see what happens now. So now if I preview this game, we can actually see how the blue thing stays in place, and if I press my arrow keys on the keyboard, I can actually start moving him around and we can jump and do different things, but the player graphic is not following us, which is obviously not what we want. We want the player graphic to move, and we do not even want to see this blue thing at all. So what I will do now is I will select my real player first of all, and I will make the initial visibility of him not visible. So here, initial visibility, I want to make it invisible so that we don't see him at all. So now it's time for our next lesson, in which we are actually going to create our first event